Adrian can't decide. Ladybug is so brave and fearless. And Marinette is sensitive and sweet. Who do I like more? It's so hard to sort out your feelings. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning struck the room. Hawkmoth's Akumas. What? Adrian split into black and white cat? Ugh, who are you? He looks like me.
Hey.
My black copy?
Huh?
It's all because of the girl, Marinette. But I love Ladybug. The guys understood what divided their personality. Man, I have to look for Marinette.
Goodbye.
Good luck, Ladybug will be mine. While Cat Blanc is looking for a lover, Marinette is quietly studying in the library. The secret admirer is here. That's her.
Wow.
There's no mistake. Ah, what a beauty.
Have you finished reading yet?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to get a second book.
Did the villain sneak in to spoil the schooling?
Hawkmoth is here. Alarm!
Signal button. Ladybug is back in business.
Yay!
It can't be. It's the same girl. Let's catch the criminal.
Let's go.
You will not destroy the Temple of Knowledge.
Huh?
I didn't plan to. I'm studying for my exams.
Oops, there was a mistake.
Is this all because of my reputation?
How embarrassing.
Oh, so I'm in love with Ladybug too.
Whoa!
I will have to fight for her heart with Cat Noir.
No!
An inspiration hit Cat Noir. Permanent muse. Ladybug, of course. Just as beautiful as in real life. Wow, a masterpiece. Well done. Oh, paint. Maybe I'm an artist too. Oops. Oh my God, Plague. The paint needs to be wiped off. Where's the towel? Where did my Kwami go?
Huh?
Hello? Oh, there you are. Hey, that's a mistake. Let me go. I found a towel. Plague? Cat Blanc, that's my Kwami.
Hey!
But he's white. He just got dirty. It can't be.
Hi.
Was I looked for? Turns out the Kwami split in two. Everyone found their own. Which one shall we take? This one will do. Let's conjure a printout. Collect the parts. Heart on a chain. How cute. Let's enlarge the vehicle. Can't wait to take it for a spin. Oh, wow. Ladybug, don't peek. Surprise! A key?
Wow!
What are you hiding? Spill. Voila! Wow, nice car. I've always dreamed of drifting. I'll make it to the races. Thanks. Wait, how about doing it together? A bear hid in a pencil case. Sculpt the ears and a muzzle. It's a cat. A heart sparkles on the chest. Amazing keychain. Robbers are raging in Paris. The money is ours. Not on my watch, villains. Ladybug, I come bearing gifts. Not now. Move away. I'm sorry, I told you.
Oh!
You can drag the toy by the chain.
I have an idea. Let's chain the thieves.
Gotcha. God, she's awesome.
Yay!
Meanwhile, Cat Blanc is looking for a new way to the heart of his beloved. One call and she's mine. Careful. Come on, let's put it right here.
Yes!
Perfect. Woo! Last but not least, I need to call Ladybug. Flag, give her the letter. Surprise at the fountain. I'm on my way. Ah, excellent. Shoo! Dove, fly away. Don't desecrate the art.
While the cat is resting, all the birds flocked.
Shoo! Oh, too many of them. Oh no! Ah! We'll have to cheat. Who wants a baguette?
Hello, is that your letter?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, how beautiful. Can you help me get my copy home?
Of course, no problem.
Let's make a pendant. A portrait of Adrian appeared on a metal pendant. Add a heart and rhinestones. Is this a portrait of a lover? We'll find out soon. Ladybug is tired of the constant attention of superheroes. Where can I hide from them?
Ladybug is somewhere here. I'll find her first.
Oh, silly guys, they're wasting their time. I'm in love with Adrian.
Ladybug, hello.
Not that.
Oh, wait, you dropped it. What is this?
Thunder and lightning struck again. Akuma returned everything in its place.
Oh, where am I? A cute pendant. I must have bought it on sale.
Ladybug and Cat Noir are having a romantic date. My tummy is growling.
I'll catch some fish.
Yes.
Let's cast the fishing rod.
How's that going?
Oh, caught one!
There's a mermaid on the hook.
Hey!
Let me go.
You're so beautiful.
Goodbye. Cat Noir is looking for a way to meet the mermaid.
Aha! Hi.
I need a scuba. Hello? Anyone here?
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I was testing the merchandise.
Oh.
I need something for diving. Let's see what else we have. Where's the aqualung?
Huh?
Why didn't you say so earlier? This is the last one. Oh, this is perfect.
Yeah!
I'll take it. Thanks.
Goodbye.
Good
mate.
luck, boy. Darling, I'm coming to you.
Yeah!
Oh, really? You won't get far.
Mermaid, wait for me.
She won't. Cat Noir dives deeper. Oxygen is running out. Poor thing, I'll save you. Come on, wake up. Come on.
Oh, my love.
My name is Ariel. How are you?
Happy because you're here.
The plan failed. Take a bindery cardboard. Draw a strip. Glue the frame. Grab the skewers. 2 lids. They will replace the wheels. Add sticks. Change the color. Comfortable transportation guaranteed. Ariel is waiting for her beloved.
With a cart, it'll be more convenient. I reserved a table for us at the best restaurant. What do you want?
Huh?
Strawberry pancakes.
Enjoy, my dear.
Now I want a drink.
Okay.
Cola or Pepsi?
Huh?
Non-carbonated.
Yeah.
And something else. Dishes for any taste.
Wow!
Phew, I hope you're satisfied.
What you wouldn't do for love. Ladybug continues to stalk.
Should we rest, my love?
Yes!
You won't rest for a long time.
Woo!
The couple falls straight into the trap.
Sorry. I'll carry you to the fountain.
Wow!
How could this happen? A romantic end to the date. Girls! Friends will help Ladybug. Girls, look who he traded me for. It can't be. How could he?
Oh no!
Let's turn you into a mermaid.
Yes!
You can't tell the difference between Ladybug and Ariel. Cat Noir, save me!
Hey!
Someone needs help?
Huh?
A mouse sneaks up to Ladybug. What's that? Ah, a mouse! Help! Oh my gosh! Oops, Ladybug slips off the rock and loses her tail. Strange, no one's here.
Oh.
This is a fail. I need to hide before anyone notices. Shoo. Ariel is enjoying Cat Noir's attention. Cat Noir, come here.
Hey.
Hi.
Yes, my love.
Oh?
The water is too cold.
Okay.
I'll add some hot water. Anything for you.
Too hot, too hot.
Let's cool the water.
Not bad. I wish I had a cupcake now.
Help yourself.
Life is like a fairy tale. Where is she? Hello, Tiki? Hello, I'm coming.
Okay.
This is my chance. Yes, caught you.
Ladybug! Is this her phone? Where is she? We need to put up missing posters. Cat Noir falls powerless.
I urgently need to rest. What is this? Ladybug is missing? Oh no, Ladybug. I have to save her.
Cat Noir, I'll help.
We'll find her.
Tiki led Cat Noir to the lair of Hawkmoth.
Oh.
The villain kidnapped Ladybug.
Help!
We'll save you.
Cat Noir climbed inside.
Ah, dragon! Tiki, what do we do?
We have to retreat?
No, I have an idea.
Aha.
Distract him with the steak. Look, yummy, yummy. Catch. Ladybug, you're free.
Thank you, Kitty.
Let's get out of here quickly.
What?
The dragon missed everything. The party is in full swing. I don't feel so good. What's wrong with you? The ambulance is already here. Let's go to the hospital. She'll get better, right? Ladybug, I'll save you. Oh, this will help. Oh no, Tiki! And here's your friend. Tiki! I'm okay. What about Ladybug? She's sleeping soundly. She needs a comfier place. Grab a stand. Looks better in red. Let it dry. Punch, get to work. Decorate with spots. A plastic coffin. Let's lay a mattress. A bug pillow. All set for a quality sleep. Let's visit the store.
Boring.
Is it here? Seems like it.
Ah! How may I assist you?
We need a little coffin.
How about this model?
Ah!
Oops, forgot. It's reserved for Hawkmoth.
How about this one? Girls, I found it, look! Wow, we'll take it. The perfect choice for Ladybug.
Yay!
But what will help her wake up? The superheroines can't find their piece. What should we do? What to do? Don't cry, the internet has answers to all questions. The tablet, let's see. A shoe, a kiss, candy, or a toy? A kiss!
Yay!
We need to organize a casting. Let's hurry. And I'll read to you. The casting is about to begin. The jury is Queen Bee, Loyal Kwame Tiki, and Rena Rouge.
Hey.
Who's the first participant?
Hey.
I know how to impress Ladybug. Web.
We're tied up. Not suitable. Next. What are the Akumas doing here? Must be Hawkmoth's mischief.
Greetings, ladies. Today I'll surprise you with my song.
My ears, no! That's too much. Goodbye, Hawkmoth.
Grr, you'll regret this. My turn. I'll do anything for Ladybug.
How sweet. He deserves it. Grab a hemisphere. The other half. Refresh the color. Cover with nail polish. Prepare the strings. Attach the yo-yo. Ladybug's weapon is always handy. The superheroine is still asleep. And here she is.
How can I wake her up?
With a kiss.
Oh, what if it doesn't work?
It will. We won't disturb you.
But first, I want to give you this yo-yo. My beloved, keep it close. How I wish I could wake you up.
Huh? Oh, my yo-yo. Thank you.
My love, you came back to me. How is this possible? Right, a kiss of love. Hooray, it worked! You're back with us!
At least I had a good sleep. The superhero succeeded in his mission. A romantic date.
No peeking. Surprise!
Wow, a picnic? How romantic.
Help yourself. Cookies. It's a family recipe.
Delicious. The last one left. Their hands touch.
I'll be right back. Hawkmoth seizes the moment. Ha ha ha! Gotcha!
Help me!
Stop! What? Release my love. Take this. My dear. Don't be afraid, I'm here to help. Ambulance! You're under arrest.
Ladybug finds herself in the hospital. Everything hurts.
It'll pass soon, but we need to apply a cast.
Is there no way around it?
Of course, you have a fracture.
How will I save Paris?
I'll write you a sick leave from Heroics. Dear, how are you?
They've put me in a cast.
But together we'll manage. Here's your medicine. Take it as scheduled, and crutches will make it easier.
Wow. They match my outfit.
You'll be helping your beloved. Get well soon.
Oh, thank you, doctor. A precious gem is stored in an Egyptian tomb.
The treasure will be mine!
The villain doesn't know that the gem is cursed.
Oh no!
Who will get the artifact? The touch switched to the hero's roles.
What's happened to me?
This is even cooler.
What a change!
You don't need the gem anymore. It's mine.
Hey! Put the gem back! Oh, come back!
No way.
Hey!
What's gonna happen now?
What's in the box? Paint. Paint the box. Attach a pad. The code won't be easy to crack. Let's take some of the dragon's treasure. Gold bars, jewels. Ladybug's gone bad. Alarm, time to get out of here.
Stop! Give back what you stole!
Na 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 na.
You won't escape!
Oh no, a kitten is asking for help.
Oh, little one. I'll save you.
Yes, dear, I'm going shopping.
What to choose? Save the cat or catch the villain? Saving lives is more important.
Who would have doubted? You're a real hero.
Hello.
A bouquet for my beauty.
Ew.
Time to mess around. Well, I love cocktails. Miss, it's mine. The family is having a gender reveal party. Balloons are flying away. Say bye-bye.
What's wrong with you today? Ready for a surprise? Charming couple, pose lovebirds.
Yeah.
Is it done yet?
Please, be patient.
How about now? The painting is complete. The final touch.
You don't understand art at all. Sweetie, why are you doing this?
Back off.
What happened to her?
Glue a cube. Plant some flowers. Add some twigs. The butterfly terrarium is enchanting, so beautiful. Kind Hawkmoth is taking care of his beloved butterflies.
Watering the flowers. Ah, what a wonderful day. Yahoo! Nothing can ruin it. Just me and my winged friends. What's that noise?
Just try to escape.
Oh no, the net hit the flowers. No one can harm my friends. Stop immediately. What have you done?
What a buzzkill. Miracle egg. Cut out wings from a folder. Wow, they're movable. Add a design. Attach to the egg.
Hi.
Grab a magnet. Ladybug has wings.
Oops.
I'm trapped.
Change your mind before it's too late. Trust me.
Aha.
Ultimate power, last chance.
Stop!
Catch! He didn't trip. Stop! Smoke bomb.
Stop, police! You're under arrest, criminal.
This was all slander.
Pinch off a bit.
Take scissors. Cut a strip. Attach to the handle. Cover with gel polish.
Be very careful with the saw. Dangerous criminal is caught.
Ooh.
Excellent, let's take pictures.
Hey. Ooh. Yippee.
Here's your cell.
Huh?
Reflect on your behavior.
I'll escape anyway.
We've tried so many times. They had no qualmies.
I'll help however I can.
What?
Chew the bars, Tiki.
Okay.
We need scissors.
Tiki, transform. Let's go.
Oh, yes.
Freedom. But shh.
The prisoners have escaped!
Let's check out the city bakery.
Wow.
I want this cake.
Yummy. Hello.
Is there another one?
That was the last one.
Oh no.
Stay where you are! Give me the money or say goodbye to all the sweets.
Ladybug! Who called me?
You're not.
Out of my way. This will be mine. No money, no problem. Bring me the sack.
Mutagen turned Marinette into Shadybug, who will help the residents of Paris. Oh, a fluffy one got stuck in the tree.
Little one, how can I get you?
Oh, no.
Don't be afraid, girl. He'll be saved. Ladybug! This girl needs help.
What? My kitten is stuck on a branch. No problem. Lucky charm. Where is it?
Ouch, that hurt.
A ladder? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come down, please. Thanks. Believed it. Higher. How do we get him down?
And where's Cat Noir? New look, new doll. Green hat. Wig on top.
Wow.
Grab the paint. Emphasize the lips. Now the clothes. Prepare faux leather. Patterns are done. Stylish suit. Try on the jumpsuit. Something's missing. Spikes made of hot glue. Add details. Glue the tail. No one should find out. Claw Noir will replace the usual kitty. Look at this line. There's enough ice cream for everyone.
Thanks.
Yummy.
Step aside. Make way. Move.
Hello.
What flavor do you want? I want this, this, and this.
We didn't get anything.
Poor babies are hungry. Let's choose the material. Tic Tac packaging. Seal the wall.
Plastic piece. Red one. Glue them to the blank. Whoosh! Red looks better. Cover with nail polish. Stylish binoculars for Ladybug.
Thank you.
It will come in handy for me. Where is Shadybug dragging all the money? Shoo, heavy. There's the bait. A trail of money. Binoculars in place. Need to hide. Let's see.
Wow!
Money. Buy ice cream. All mine. Come on, come on.
What?
Caught you.
Wow!
What a beauty. I'm charmed. Well, maybe you'll be useful again. 2 villains in one city. That's too much. Shadybug and Claw Noir went for a romantic walk.
Neat.
Wow. Nice gem. And it suits me.
Hey.
Claw, I urgently need one. Do you love me? Of course. So, a brick. Move aside, my love.
Thank you.
Let me see. Let's go, quick. Take designer paper. Write the title, Book of Diamonds. Page black. Insert. Curious entries. The book is very mysterious. I need to find out a way to save Ladybug. Where's the answers? Which book to choose? Interesting. What? A secret passage? A book is hidden in the secret room. Wow, just what I need. To save her, I need to break the diamond. It'll switch the heroes' places. The book is with me. Great catch! Cut a circle out of it. So many butterflies. The scent attracts them. Oh no, is this a trap? Hawkmoth decides to weave a net for Ladybug.
Yahoo!
Only cunning can capture her. Shh, I'm lying in an ambush. The villain is nearby. No one's around. Gotcha!
Hey.
Hope you're comfortable. Oh no, she's trapped. Hello, Cat Noir. Ladybug is here. We never leave a friend behind.
Hey!
You can't do that. There are no laws for us. Take a piece of styrofoam. Sand the edges. Snip off a part. Color it like metal. Bell. And ears. Now we're omnipotent. It's bad to be doing evil deeds. Ladybug, I figured out how to fix this. Back off. I like being bad. Here's what's controlling you. What are you planning?
Time to get rid of the stone. Oh no! Too late.
I'm back to me. Ladybug, I've missed you so much. Let's get out of here. Well, time to get back to our superhero duties. The superhero prepares a surprise. We're here. What are you up to? Look. Wow, it's a proposal. How unexpected. Will you be my wife, dear? Of course. This ring is for you. I love you. And I love you, darling. A happily ever after awaits them. Yay! The ceremony is about to begin, and here comes the bride. How beautiful you are. Oh, thank you, dear.
How romantic! Do you agree to become the lawfully wedded husband and wife?
Yes.
What's this? Ouch!
It's all right, dear. The rings are safe. A kiss. Ready? I'm throwing the bridal bouquet. Hooray! My wedding is next.